All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So along with, to be part of something for a time. Yeah. I went along with them to the party. We went along with her to the meeting. We all went together. I walked along with them up the mountain. Yeah. How cool is that? I went along with her plans. I went along with her to the cinema. Yeah. How cool is that? Why did they go along with her? Why didn't they go along with them to the beach? Why didn't she go along with me to the beach? Why didn't she go along with me to the beach? To the beach, yeah. He could have come along with us, but he did not ask. She thought she could have come along with us. Yeah. It almost worked. It almost worked along with our plans too. Yeah, it almost worked along with our plans too. How cool is that? Yeah. He, she, it. So I needed to go along with her to the, to the shop, for example, to the venue. The venue, yeah. And they wanted me to come along with them because I knew the answers. Yeah. How cool is that? I used to walk along the road with it. Yeah. She is driving along with them to the party. Yeah. I am walking along the road with her. Walking along the road with her. How cool is that? He might go along with him for the meeting. So she needed to have come along with me to the place, but she did not. She wanted to come along with me, but she didn't. Yeah, she wanted to come along with me, but she didn't. Yeah. No. Yeah. They walk along together. They walk together along. Well, okay. They walk along with each other on the road. Yes. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use along with in a sentence? Can you use it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.